Hey guys, welcome back to Drew Tutorial, and in this video I'm going to show you how to apply for the YouTube Partner Program. So once you reach your 1000 subscribers guys and your 4000 watch hours, you will be able to click on the earn section and you will have the apply button here. Now I want to mention to you that YouTube has make it a little bit more easier now to get into the partner program, so you don't necessarily need to have 4000 watch hours. So what you need, at least a minimum of 3000 watch hours and at least the 4000 and at least the 500 subscribers. So what you will see here, know that I have over 1000 subscribers, but I had to have at least 3000 watch hours, and you can see here that I have over the 1000 subscribers, but it really requires at least to have 500 subscribers and you need to have at least 3000 watch hours. So here you can see that I have 3000 watch hours in the last 365 days. So I would need, with this I can use a few of their services such as the membership, the supers. I can use things such as the membership, I can do shopping, and you can also use super stickers and so forth like that, right? So you can, once you have at least 500 subscribers and the 3000 watch hours, you're now able to apply for the partner program, right? And if you met all the conditions, you will most likely be accepted. However, in order to start earn money from ads through YouTube, you want to have at least the next 1000 watch hours to make it up to 4000 watch hours, so that you'll be able to start make money from the partner program, right? So now you can see that I have just the basic one to apply it, so I can use the membership and the super stickers and the shopping. So I'm going to show you how to apply. So the first thing you want to do is simply click on apply. Then it says it's going to go through the phase of review based term, so you want to click on get started, scroll down here guys, and you want to go ahead and accept those terms. So click on that. You can choose if you want to be email announcement and so forth. Click on that. Then you want to choose the option that says accept terms. Now once you're here, it's going to go through this quick loading and you will see that it's done. Now the next thing is to apply your YouTube AdSense, right? So I'm going to go ahead and enter my AdSense details here. So you want to go ahead and click and sign up for AdSense. So you want to click on start, and you will have the option here to select if you have an AdSense account. So you can simply choose, you can say yes, I have an existing AdSense account, or no, and it will basically take you over to where you can create an AdSense account. Now I have an AdSense account already, so I'm going to simply choose the option yes here, and here you want to go ahead and click on next. It's going to load up and ask you to enter your email address or sign into that AdSense account. So go ahead and click and use another account if this is not the same account that you have for it. Now, I want to stress that it's important that you don't use your same email address that you have for your YouTube channel for your AdSense account. It is just a best practice and it's safer. So I'm going to go ahead and enter my email address here for my AdSense account. I'm going to go ahead and click on next. And here I'm going to simply go ahead and enter my password for my AdSense account as well. Then I'm going to click on next. And here it's going to go through my two-factor authentication process, guys. I just need to go here to my phone and just go ahead and just simple, click on yes. And it's going to go ahead and load here for me. I accept that. And as you can see, it's popping up my details here. It shows that I have an AdSense account. Is that really me? And so forth. I'm going to click on continue. And then it's going to show the YouTube channel, right? It's going to say the channel. And I'm going to simply go ahead and click on setup, right? So once you do that, you click on setup account, and then it will give you the option to redirect to YouTube. So go ahead and click on redirect. And you will see in a moment that it goes through the second phase here of saying set it up the YouTube AdSense account. So you just want to wait here, and you can see that now it basically says the first two stages are completed, and you want to go ahead and just wait for it to be reviewed. And that's it, guys. That's how easy it is. You just need to wait now, and best of luck that you actually get approved by YouTube and that you also are in within all of those guidelines that YouTube suggested. And that's it. Very easy and very simple. Best of luck, guys. That's how you apply for the YouTube Partner Program. And you want to just ensure that you read those guidelines and that you stick to YouTube terms and policies and that you stick to all of those guidelines. There are so many of them, but in order to stay with YouTube Partner Program, you want to ensure that at all times you abide by those guidelines and you follow them to the T. And that's it. Go ahead. And that's all there is to it, guys. Very easy and very simple.